Number of online frauds have definitely gone up in the last few years, and for that, scammers use various SIM cards. Now, where do these mobile numbers come from? Has anyone issued a mobile number using your Aadhar card? Well, there's a simple tech tip using which you can check how many SIM cards are issued on your Aadhar card. And if there is any mobile number which is registered without your prior knowledge, you can simply block that number. Hello, you are watching India Today Tech. This is Simran Srivastava with you, and let me take you through this tech tip. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do so, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you never miss out any notification from us. Now let's go to the tech tip. In order to get a new SIM card or a mobile number, you need to furnish Aadhar card. Department of Telecommunication has launched a web portal named TAFCOP, using which you can check how many SIM cards are issued in your name. For this, all you have to do is open tafcop.dgtelecom.gov.in. I have put the link in the description so you can check it out from there. Once the web page opens, enter your mobile number and request an OTP. Enter the OTP sent by Department of Telecommunication. You will be shown a list of phone numbers issued under your name. If there is any number that is not in use or is not registered in your consigns, you can request to block that number. So that's it. The process is so simple. This service is currently available in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, but we tried it in Delhi and it worked out perfectly. I hope you found this video useful. I will meet you with another amazing tech tip in the next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out any notification from us. Thanks for watching the video.